So whatever I told you till now is Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanameva. So we have to now talk about Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam and Dvivachanam. The meaning is the same. Ramaya. Ek Ram ke liye de rahe. We are giving to one Ram. But what if you are giving to two Rams? Ramabhyam. What if you are giving to three or more Rams? Ramebhyaha. That is what the form differences. But the meaning is the same. Giving it to one Ram, giving it to two Ram, giving it to three or more. Balakaha Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Yuvakaha Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Chatraha Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Gayakaha Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Nayakaha, actor or leader or whatever it is, Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. The first black letters on the left side, you know it. Balakaya, Yuvakaya, Chatraya, Gayakaya, Nayakaya. Ekavachanam eva Chaturthi Vibhakti. The middle stambha, the middle pillar is the Dvivachanam and the right pillar is the Bahuvachanam. Aham Balakaya Pustakam Dadami. I am giving it to one boy. Aham Balakabhyam Pustakam Dadami. Aham Dadami. So Dadami will not change, but I am giving a book to the Balakabhyams. Aham Balakabhyam, two boys. Aham Balakabhyam Pustakam Dadami. Aham Balakebhyaha, three or more boys are there. Aham Balakebhyaha Pustakam Dadami. Aham, if I am giving only one book, it is Aham Balakaya Pustakam Dadami. I am giving one book to two boys. Aham Balakabhyam Pustakam Dadami. Aham Balakebhyaha Pustakam Dadami. Balakaya, Balakabhyam, Balakebhyaha. Aham Yuvakaya Laddugam Dadami. I am giving that one young man one Laddugam. Aham Yuvakabhyam Laddugam Dadami. I am giving a Laddu to the two boys, to the two young men. Aham Yuvakebhyaha Laddugam Dadami. Aham Dadami. Aham Yuvakebhyaha Laddugam Dadami. Just a minute. Let me just replenish myself with some liquid. Aham Chatraya Kandugam Dadami. I am giving a ball to the Chatras. Aham Chatraya, to one Chatra, Chatraya Dadami. Two Chatras, Chatrabhyam. Three or more Chatras, Chatrebhyaha. Aham Gayakaya. Let us say I am giving a song, Kavita. Okay, I am giving a Kavita for singing. Aham Gayakaya Kavitam Dadami. Aham Gayakabhyam Kavitam Dadami. Aham Gayakebhyaha. There are a lot of singers, so it's a chorus. Aham Gayakebhyaha Kavitam Dadami. Balakaha Nayakaya. Nayakaya. Nayakaya is an actor. So Yutakam, let us say Yutakam is a shirt. Aham Balakaha Nayakaya Yutakam Dadati. Balakaha, it is Pradama Purushaha, Ataha Dadati will come. Aham Dadami. Tvam Dadasi. That I am not repeating all that, you should be knowing by now. Otherwise, it's the previous classes. Balakaha Nayakaya Yutakam Dadati. Two actors, Nayakabhyam. Three or more actors, Nayakebhyaha. So somebody will ask me this question, only one Pustakam, why not two Pustakam? Then you can say, Aham Balakaya Pustakam Dadami. Aham Balakabhyam Pustake. Pustakam Pustake Pustakani. Aham Balakabhyam Pustake Dadami Eva. Because it is Aham. Aham Kriyapadam will become Dadami only. Whether it is one book, two book, three book or 100 books. Aham Balakabhyam Pustake Dadami. So I am giving two books to the boys. Aham Balakebhyaha Pustakani Dadami. Aham Dadami. Kim Dadami? Pustakam Dadami. Kani Dadami? Pustakani Dadami. Pustakani. Kebhyaha Dadami. Balakebhyaha Dadami. The question is Balakebhya. Whom are you giving it? I told you Kasmai is the question for Ekavachanam. For the Dvivachanam, for the Bahuvachanam, questions are there. We will come to that. Kasmai, Kabhyam, Kepyah. If I give two people and they're asking, who are the two people who are going giving it? Kabhyam dadami. Who are the dadati? Who are the three or more people? Kebhyah dadati. Tadrishameva. Akaranta pullinga shabda eva. Balakaya, balakabhyam, balakebhyah. To one boy, to two boys, to three or more boys. Yuvakaya, is the screen visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Did I? How
But
is the screen?
but you are seen, not the screen.
No. I'm seen.
We are seeing only you.
No. Don't see.
Now we can see, sir. Now we can see.
Now it is available. Balakaya.
Yeah.
So what to one boy, balakaya. To two boys, balakabhyam. To three or more boys, balakebhyah. To one man, to one young man, yuvakaya. To two young men, yuvakabhyam. To three or more men, yuvakebhyah. Chatraya, chatrabhyam, chatrebhyah. Gayakaya, gayakabhyam, gayakebhyah. Nayakaya, nayakabhyam, nayakebhyah. I want to do a small poll now because I was thinking I'll finish off Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam today, but in that case that requires at least 10 people to be in the class. So I want to just check how many of you are ready. Just raise your hand to stay up to 9:30. How many of you want to leave at 9, 9:05, 9:10, and how many want to stay till 9:30 so I can finish this thing today? 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I'm seeing more than 10 hands now. So I think I'll take that and I'll move forward. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm seeing around 10 hands now. That's good enough. So I'll quickly try to be fast because we have to cover Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam because otherwise I'll have to take classes in April also, and I want to I want to finish this in March itself. So let me just continue and finish off Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam today. Nayakaya, Nayakabhyam, Nayakebhyah. Gayakaya, Gayakabhyam, Gayakebhyah. Eka to one person, to two people, to three or more people. Akaranda pullinga shabdameva balakaha, yuvakaha, jatraha, gayakaha, nayakaha. Trilingam balika, vanita, chatra, gayika, nayika. You know the meanings of all of this. Student, balika is girl, vanita is woman, chatra is lady. Student. Please mute. Please mute. Somebody's unmuted. Please mute. Gayika is a singer. Nayika is a actress. To one, aham balikayai vastram dadami. Because these days, you're giving a vastram to somebody, a small girl. Aham balikayai vastram dadami. Aham balikabhyam vastram dadami. Aham balikabhyah vastram dadami. I am giving one vastram, some dress, to one girl, to two girls, to three or more girls. Aham balikayam, balikayai vastram dadami. Aham balikabhyam vastram dadami. Aham balikabhyah vastram dadami. Vanita, vanitayai, vanitabhyam, vanitabhyah. Aham chatrayai, chatrabhyam, chatrabhyah pustakam dadami. Gayikayai, gayikabhyam, gayikabhyah. Nayikayai, nayikabhyam, nayikabhyah. Nayika is an actress. So, aham nayikayai vastram dadami. I am giving a dress to the nayika. Aham nayikabhyam vastram dadami. I am giving two nayikas. I am giving the vastram to her. It's not a vastram, it's a pustakam only. Just imagine this is a vastram. Aham nayikabhyam vastram dadami. To three or more nayikas, I am giving the dress. So remember these forms: balikayai, balikabhyam, balikabhyah. Vanitayai, vanitabhyam, vanitabhyah. Chatrayai, chatrabhyam, chatrabhyah. Gayikayai, gayikabhyam, गायिकाभ्यः, नायिकायै, नायिकायां, नायिकाभ्यां, नायिकाभ्यः. It is a tongue twister. You have to continuously listen to this. I am not explaining the meaning of this because Artha Bodham of all the Chaturthi Vibhakti and the singular forms I have already taught in the session before Kumarji came in. Post that, I am simplifying it. How to give it to 2, how to give it to 3 or more. Sodari, Sodariyai. Sundari, Sundariyai. Nadi, Nadyai. Kupi. Kupi is bottle. Ikaranta Srilingam. Kupyai. Droni, bucket. Dronyai. To one bucket, to one bottle, to one nadi, to one sundari, to one sodari, the black letters on the left side. To 2 sundaris, to 2 sodaris, sodari bhyam. To 2 sundaris, sundari bhyam. To 2 nadis, nadi bhyam. To 2 kupis, kupi bhyam. To 2 dronis, droni bhyam. To 3 or more sodaris, sodari bhyah. To 3 or more sundaris, sundari bhyah. To 3 or more nadis, nadi bhyah. To 3 or more kupis, kupi bhyah. To 3 or more dronis, droni bhyah. So let us read it in the Siddharupam style. Sodaryai, sodari bhyam, sodari bhyah. Sundaryai, sundari bhyam, sundari bhyah. Nadyai, nadi bhyam, nadi bhyah. Kupyai, kupi bhyam, kupi bhyah. Dronyai, droni bhyam, droni bhyah. For the bucket, for the kupi, for the nadi, for the sundari, for the sodari. Okay, that is the artha bodham of that. So you can think about your own sentences for the bottle, for the nadi, for the bucket. Okay. Aham nadyai malinyam dadadi. These days people are only putting malinyam in nadi, right? So you can see malinyam dadami. But you should not do that. Just for the example of artha bodham, I am telling you. Aham nadyai malinyam na dadami. Malinyam na dadami. I will not give malinyam to the nadi, to nadyai, nadibhyam, to 2 rivers, nadibhyaha, to 3 or more rivers. Now comes aham avam vayam. Sorry, not aham avam vayam. Aham avam vayam is pradama purusha eva, uttama purusha eva, in the pradama vibhakti form. Mata mahyam laddugam dadami. Dadati. Mata mahyam laddugam dadati. Mata is giving 1 laddugam to me. Mata avabhyam laddugam dadati. Mata is giving 2 laddugams, 1 laddugam or laddugam to avabhyam, 2 of us. Mata asmabhyam laddugam dadati. Mada dadati. Kasmai dadati? Mahyam dadati. Kabhyam dadati? Avabhyam dadati. Kebhyah dadati? Asmabhyam dadati. Mata is giving laddu to 3 of us. The kasya kabhyam ke kasmai kabhyam kebhyah. I'll come to that little later on. But even for the kebhyah, the answer is asmabhyam, to all of us. Mada tubhyam pustakam dadati. Mata tubhyam pustakam dadati. Mata yuvabhyam pustakam dadati. Mata yuvabhyam, to 2 of you. Mata yushmabhyam pustakam dadati. Mata bhavate pustakam dadati. Mata bhavadbhyam pustakam dadati. Mata bhavadbhyah pustakam dadati. Mata bhavati bhavatyai kupim dadati. Mata bhavadibhyam kupim dadati. Mata bhavadibhyah kupim dadati. Nadi nadibhyam nadibhyah. Bhavati, sorry, nadi nadyai nadibhyam nadibhyah. Nadyai nadibhyam nadibhyah. Tadrishameva bhavati shabda. Bhavati shabdasya chaturthi vibhakti bhavatyai bhavadibhyam bhavadibhyah. Bhavan shabdasya kinchit भिन्नः एव भिन्नमेव अतः bhavate bhavadbhyam bhavadbhyah. Very important for you to remember this, because bhavan is a very commonly used noun form eva, pradama purusha eva. Atah bhavate bhavadbhyam bhavatbhyah. Tubhyam yuvabhyam Yushmabhyam. Tubhyam is giving it to you. Yuvabhyam giving it to two of you. Yushmabhyam giving it to three or more of you. Mahyam giving it to me. Avabhyam giving it to me and one more person standing near me. Mahyam, Avabhyam, Asmabhyam. To three or more of us. Mata, Asmabhyam, Laddukani, Dadati. Laddukani. Laddukam, Ladduke, Laddukani. No, Laddukam is an Apumsaka Lingam eva, sweet, Laddukani. So, lot of laddus. Asmabhyam, to all of us. Mahyam, Avabhyam, Asmabhyam, Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yusmabhyam, Yushmabhyam, Bhavate, Bhavadbyam, Bhavadbhyava. Little different it is, so please remember it. Understand the difference. Bhavati, same as Nadyai, Nadibhyam, Nadibhya, Tadrisham eva, Bhavatyai, Bhavadibhyam, Bhavadibhyaha. Giving it to him. Let us take the Pustakam only for the example purpose right now. Mata or Aham, Tasmai Pustakam Dadami. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namaha Agachati. Ataha eva Tasmai Shri Gurave. Gurave is Guru Shabdasya Chaturthi Vibhaktam. Guru Sukara and the Pullinga Shabdam. I am not teaching you the right now in the class because that's separate later on. But Guru Shabdasya Chaturthi Vibhakti eva. Guru Shabdasya Chaturthi Vibhakti eva. Gurave. Tasmai. To you. That is why Tasmai Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Kabhyam Tebhyaha. It is same as the earlier one itself, right? No. It is not same as earlier. Tasmai Tabhyam Tebhya. Etasmai. I am giving it to him. Etasmai Pustakam Dadami. Etabhyam Pustakam Dadami. Etebhyaha Pustakam Dadami. Just a minute. Etasmai, etabhyam, etebhyaha. Kasmai dadami, dadati. Tasmai dadati. Ramaya dadati. Krishnaya dadati. So the answer will be Kasmai, the question for Ekavachanam. Kabhyam, the question for Dvivachanam. Kebhyaha, the question for Bahuvachanam. Kebhyaha dadati, tebhyaha dadati. Tebhyaha dadati or Asmabhyam dadati. Asmabhyam to all of us. Or Balakebhyaha dadati. So Kebhyaha is a question for Bahuvachanam. Kabhyam is the question for Dvivachanam. The moment you say Kabhyam, the answer has to be Pullingam or Strilingam also. If you don't know the answer, whether the Strilingam answer is Pullingam answer or not, you will say Kabhyaha. Kasmai Kabhyam or Kabhyam. Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyaha. Kasmai dadadi, Kabhyam dadadi, Kebhyaha dadadi. Kasmai, one person. Kabhyam, two persons. Kebhyaha, three or more persons. Any doubt till now? I am going very fast. So if anybody has a doubt, is there any doubt? I think there is no voice. Hello.
No, so far, no, sir. Everything is going good.
I'm going very fast because I want, otherwise it will completely mess up my entire class program itself. So I want to finish Chaturthi Vibhakti today itself. Tasmai tabhyam tebhyaha. Etasmai etabhyam etebhyaha. Kasmai kabhyam kebhyaha. Sa, she, I am giving it to her. How will you say tasyai? That I already taught you. Tasyai tabhyam tabhyaha. The Dvivachana form is exactly the same as the Pullinga form. Tasmai tabhyam tebhyaha. Tasyai tabhyam tabhyaha. So Dvivachana form is exactly the same. Etasyai etabhyam etebhyaha. Etabhyaha. Etasyai etabhyam etabhyaha. Kasyai dadati. Etasyai dadati, tasyai dadati, baligayai dadati, gauryai dadati, parvatyai dadati. That is the answer for kasyai. Kabhyam dadati, tabhyam dadati, baligabhyam dadati, avabhyam dadati, kabhyam. Kabhyam is strilingam eva. Kabhyaha. Kabhyaha is three or more, three ladies are there, and the question is, whom are you giving it? To the three. So the answer is kabhyam dadati. Kabhyaha dadati. Etabhyaha dadati. Tebhyaha dadati. The question will be kebhyaha. So the only way to remember this is you have to memorize it. Tasyai tabhyam tebhyaha. Etasyai etabhyam etabhyaha. Kasyai kabhyam kabhyaha. Why I'm closing my eyes is, it's memorized. So the only way to you have to memorize it and take it out of memory. Kasyai kabhyam khabhyah. Tasyai tabhyam tabhyah. Etasyai etabhyam etabhyah. Napumsakalinga is exactly the same as Pullingam itself. Tasyai tabhyam tebhyah. Etasmai etabhyam etebhyah. Kasmai kabhyam kebhyah. Exactly the same as Pullinga padameva. तस्मै ददाति ताभ्यां ददाति तेभ्यः ददाति एतस्मै एताभ्याम एतेभ्यः कस्मै काभ्याम केभ्यः. So the prashnavachaka shabdams are also same only. Kasmai काभ्याम केभ्यः for pullingam. For strilingam kasyai काभ्याम काभ्यः. Kasmai kasmai nahi kasyai काभ्याम काभ्यः strilingam. Pullingam kasmai काभ्याम केभ्यः. Napumsakalingam question will be kasmai kabhyam kebhyah. Strilingam will be kasyai kabhyam kabhyah. The only way is to remember it. The only way is to memorize it. There is no other option for this, because only when you memorize it, you will have the bhasha swadhinam. You will be able to speak comfortably, and the right time the right word will come to the tip of your tongue, so you can speak